Swan Lake is a ballet that I think for all dancers and choreographers is something that you would aspire to get the chance to do. There aren't very many ballets that have this extraordinary score already written for you. Right from a very young age I had decided that one day I wanted to make a Swan Lake. I tried to find things that I found not logical in a story and try to make logic out of them. And if I could find a path that seemed to make sense, why someone does something, why is he a monster, why does she become a swan? And that's how I started building the story. So in the traditional ballet we only see her in the swan form, but the idea is that at night she is a woman and in the day she transforms. This prince does see her as both a person and a swan. This was one of the first ballets that I made here, and it was through the generosity of Margaret Alkeck Williams. Certainly thanks to Margaret, it has been one of our most regularly performed ballets. Jones Hall for many years was the place that Houston Ballet performed all of its repertoire. So after all of this chaos that we've had with the storm and shifting from venue to venue, we returned to the original place that Houston Ballet started to do these big full-length ballets. It does feel like a homecoming for us as an organisation.